Get ready to live the ultimate student life in Austin, the live music capital of the world. Keep your eyes peeled as we head into a virtual journey into the property of your dreams. Welcome to Harrington Housing University of Texas at Austin. Your cozy heaven awaits with fully furnished rooms featuring a soft bed TV, study desk, wardrobe, and ample storage space. The shared kitchen is equipped with everything you need to whip up your favorite meals. Plus, you can enjoy lightning-fast Wi-Fi and the convenience of a washer/dryer in your unit. Say goodbye to utility bill hassles, it's all included in your rent. But that's not all. At this lovely student housing, you'll find awesome social spaces as well. Stay fit at the gym or tackle assignments in the quiet co-working space. Take a dip in the outdoor and indoor swimming pools or whip up a culinary masterpiece in the communal kitchen. You'll never be bored. To top it off, the University of Texas is 16 minutes away on foot, and Austin Community College is a 14-minute walk from the property. From grabbing brunch at Kissa's Tacos and grocery dates at Rio Mart to partying at Kane and Abel's pub around the corner, you'll find all the entertainment in the world minutes all around this buzzing neighborhood. Ready to call this fantastic place your home? Visit amberstudent.com to secure your spot at Harrington Housing University of Texas at Austin today. Your Austin adventure starts here.